Hi guys, it's me, and welcome to this my channel, and I'm gonna show you my two MH drawings, my own MH drawings. So yeah, let's get started. Now, I got this one. It's Jessica Line. She's so pretty, and her dress is completely aligned all her lines. So I kind of love it, and read this today, 2:34 pretty. So yeah, as you can see that it's orange, and yeah, that is her. And for the next, let's check her one. And for the next, her dress is so fabulous, very pretty. Her name's Felly Bolt, and I kinda hate her face, as you can see. But her dress is so fabulous. Her hair, and so let's see. This is Felly Bolt and Bolt, and I made this in the same date. After I made this, I made her dress it. So yeah. So that's all for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and see you next time. Bye bye.